just before you fall asleep, right at that point where you haven't fallen asleep, but you could. Right there, if you can stay relaxed in your heart while you stay awake in your brain, you can make some really dramatic changes because you move into this theta brainwave pattern, and that tends to be when the door between the conscious mind and the subconscious mind is wide open. So you could actually rewrite a program. When you have no analytical mind, you're suggestible to information. And what is suggestibility? Your ability to accept it, believe it, to surrender to it as if it's the truth without analyzing it. And that's what actually programs the autonomic nervous system. So we teach people how to regulate their brain states so that they can reprogram.